Are you looking for an investment residential lot here in Lipa City, Batangas? Well, today, andito po tayo ngayon in Meadow Village, the villages at Lipa, to feature their residential lots. If you're new to my channel, I'm Armand Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media. We have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour. Before we show you around Meadow Village, first and foremost, mag-share lang po ako ng a few information para lang din well-informed kayo about Meadow Village. Meadow Village is located inside the villages at Lipa, inside the 49-hectare residential development of Aboitiz land inside Lima Estate. Kung hindi po kayo familiar with Lima Estate is a mixed-use industrial, commercial, and residential development by Aboitiz land. Currently, if bumisita po kayo dito sa Lipa, si Lima Estates, meron na po siya mga locators or mga factories or mga multinational companies na nakatayo dito na nagbi-business na and operating na sila currently soon. And also, makita nyo rin na we also have the outlets at Lipa already available here. Now, ang maganda po dyan, yung project natin na Meadow Village is just a few meters away or just siguro a few 2 minutes drive, 1 to 2 minutes drive to the outlets and also to Lima Park. This is inside again, the villages at Lipa, a 49-hectare residential development. Ang total land area po ni Meadow Village is 11.7 hectare. Ang location po niya is in Lipa City, Batangas. And dito po, si Meadow Village as compared to Brook, and yung ating condo and ang ating Sierra Village, this is the most premium development inside the villages at Lipa. Ibig sabihin, ito po yung pinaka high-end because it only offers residential lots. Kaya napakaganda po niya. It offers, ang ranges po ng lote natin dito starts at 250 all the way to 1,500 square meters. And ang design natin or theme natin pag nagtayo tayo ng bahay dito is modern Filipino design. And ang total lang po ibibenta natin na loto dito is sobrang konti at 187 total lots. Kaya sobrang intimate, sobrang secure, and sobrang ganda ng community na to kasi konti lang kayo. Now, as for the amenities, meron po tayong clubhouse, meron tayong multi-purpose hall, meron tayong swimming pool, kiddie and adult pool, meron tayong basketball court, meron tayong open spaces and parks and playgrounds. And right outside the development, meron din po tayong commercial area na itatayo. Pero that is a future plan and subject to change. Now, isa pang kailangan natin malaman with Meadow Village, meron tayong iba-ibang klaseng lots na available dito. Starting with our sunrise lots. Ito pong sunrise lots natin, ang range po niya is 250 square meters all the way to 369 square meters. Tapos ito yung mga lote from the word sunrise lots. Ito yung mga facing the sunlight or receiving sunlight and less heat during the day. Now, we also have yung regular lots. Ang size range niya is 251 square meters all the way to 501 square meters. This is actually mga regular lots lang, nothing too special. Pero ang maganda dito, this is a good investment kasi this has the best price possible or the lowest price possible para sa investment nyo because tapos ang maganda doon, you will maximize yung appreciation niya. You also have your corner lot. Ang corner lot po natin dito, we still have a few. Starts with 296 square meters all the way to 579 square meters. Meron din po tayong Central Park lots. Ang size range niya is 289 all the way to 591 square meters. And ito po mga Central Park lots, ito po yung mga malapit sa amenities natin or para siyang extension ng ating amenity area kasi nakapalibot lang po siya doon. Then we also have yung tinatawag nating Greenbelt lots. Tulad po ito, kung napagsuboy-boy po kayo ng mga videos ko about Sierra and Brook, meron po tayong tinatawag na mga Greenbelt properties. Ito naman po yung mga properties na single-loaded, wala pong kapitbahay sa likod, ang kapitbahay niya lang po sa dalawang gilid nyo. And yung likod nyo po, it's a landscape garden maintained by the community. Ang sizes naman po nito ay 262 all the way to 618 square meters. And ito po yung isa sa mga pinaka-premium na mga lote tulad ng Central and also itong ating corner lots. And lastly, meron tayong tinatawag na legacy lots. Ang size range niya, ito po yung mga pinakamalaki. And we also only have 1,340 square meters all the way to 1,490 square meters. Tatlo lang po sila. This is the biggest lots available inside the Meadow Village. Talagang para sa papamana mo na siya or talagang investment siya for your family. Now, apart from that, again, ang developer po natin, syempre, kilala na po natin. It's Aboitiz Land. They are a known developer in Cebu and right now, they're expanding here in Luzon. Kaya po, if you would like to invest, contact us in the contact information in the screen. And maganda po mag-invest ngayon kasi naka-promo pa tayo. Yung 10% down natin is payable up to 48 months, zero interest. So tara, doon na tayo sa ating walkthrough or sa ating site tour. Nandito na po tayo ngayon in the actual site ng Meadow Village, starting with our entrance. As you can see, napakalapad po niya and napaka-grand po niya. If you have seen our video about Sierra and Brook, halos magiging ganun po ang ating entrance. We'll just be posting a picture or showing you a preview of a picture kung ano magiging itsura po niya. As you can see, you have your center island, tas very wide entrance. Meron tayong and napakaganda po niya. So tara, pasok tayo. By the way, ang construction po natin dito right now ay over 1 year na po siyang ginagawa. In fact, meron na po akong mga kliyente na tapos na po magbayad ng kanilang down payment. Pero dahil nga po meron tayong promo right now, magandang i-take advantage. So tara, simulan muna natin to with our walking tour. Kitang-kita nyo naman po, pagpasok po natin, napakalapad po ng mga kalsada natin. Ang minimum roads po natin dito would be 10 meters, all the way 15 meters wide roads. You have your sidewalks, tapos napakaganda po niya. And as you can see, halos patapos na po yung construction ng ating mga kalsada. In fact, meron na rin po tayong mga posting nakalagay dyan. And then eventually, yung mga nakabili po ng lote dito, pwede na po silang magpatayo na sarili ng bahay once ma-declare na 100% constructed na po ang ating Meadow Village. Okay, so naglakad-lakad tayo ng konti and pumunta tayo sa middle part ng ating village. And as you can see, yung terrain po talaga natin dito sa Meadow Village will be a flat terrain. So if you're somebody na hindi ka masyadong ma-experiment, gusto mo lang ng regular flat terrain, yung madaling i-build, perfect na perfect po sa inyo itong si Meadow Village. And ang maganda po talaga dyan, yung accessibility niya to the outlets and also to Lima Estate, napakaganda po nito. Now, dito po sa ating middle part of the village, as you can see, yung construction natin, update natin, nakikita nyo lang, hindi lang po na natitrim pa yung grass natin, pero halos patapos na siya. And kung makita nyo po yung sasakyan dun sa malayo, dun po tayo naglakad, dun po tayo nanggaling, dun po yung entrance natin. And then, dito naman po sa side na to, o kung nasan ako ngayon, this is the part of our clubhouse. So yung clubhouse natin is an estimate of almost a hectare in size. Meron po siyang swimming pool, meron po siyang function hall, meron po siyang multi-purpose area, children's playground. So napakaganda po niya. This is where your family can enjoy afternoons or maybe mornings together habang nagbabanding kayo. Or if you're retired, you can just go here, walk. Kasi yun yung maganda kapag retire ka na, mag-walking ka sa village mo, napakatahimik, tapos napaka-safe. So, you will really like it here, especially kapag natapos na siya. And isa pang napag-uusapan namin ng videographer ko and cameraman ko kanina,
when we're shooting videos in the Nuvali area, hindi naman sa pag-ano, medyo mas mainit doon. Dito, sabi namin parang ang sarap mag-video kasi napakalamig or ang sarap ng klima, hindi siya ganun kainit. Now, ito po yung ating buong amenity area. As for the exact location po niya, magmula po doon sa kanto, siguro estimate or almost half of this, ito po yung buong amenity area. And just imagine, you have your own pool in the village. And in fact, actually, pwede rin kayo magtayo ng sarili nyong swimming pool. Before we end this video, magpapakita po muna kami ng sample lot dito sa Meadow Village. And like what I said, ang average lot po natin is 250 all the way to 1,500 or almost 2,000 square meters. Ngayon, dito po sa malapit sa gate, meron po tayong isang available lot nasa 451 square meters. So kung makikita niyo po, itong loteng nasa likod ko, ito na po yun. This is 451 square meters. Magmula po sa poste dito sa kanan ko, all the way dito sa kabilang poste, and sobrang lapad niya, sobrang ganda niya. So if you're planning to build your dream home here in Lipa, this is perfect. Pwede kayong maglagay ng swimming pool, pwede kayong mag-build ng napakagandang bahay, enough for your family. So, and also, enough din para makapag-entertain ka ng mga friends mo and also relatives dito sa Pilipinas. So, yun po, this is 451 square meters. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. Kindly comment down below what you like about this property. Now, if you would like to see this property in the actual or go on a site visit or just meet me online and talk about Meadow Village here in the Villages Lipa, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. Nandyan po ang aming Viber, WhatsApp, and aming iMessage. Now, if you're still looking around and you just want to get updated with properties in Lipa or in Nuvali area or yung mga binibenta po namin mga resale properties, you can join our Viber community. Yung link po ay nandyan sa description box or nandyan din po yan sa ating comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!